drought of 1999 to 2000 reduced overall GDP by about 4.4% and resulted in a non-oil export, food import and inflation in the 2003. A quarter of Iran non-oil exports were our agricultural grounds in 2004 and agriculture boards started trading agriculture and related products in the country. Iran agricultural sector accounted for 11% of GDP in 2004 and employed about a third of the labor force, taking advantage of 123,580 square kilometer of land so suitable for the agriculture. The agriculture sector is dominated by the Iran. It is the biggest contributor to the luxury. It comprises about 13% of the Iran GDP, 20% of population from the employment, 23% of non-oil exports, 82% of the household goods consumed, and 90% of the raw materials used in the food processing industries. Focus areas: financing and low interest loans to invest in the agriculture and agro industries project, ensuring self-sufficiency in providing national food needs, budgets for agricultural industries project in the areas of the food processing, packaging and the irrigation, the supply of the irrigation agriculture machinery and equipment with an emphasis on local production, making technology transfer into foreign contract an essential provision. Foreign debt and the investment in the agricultural sector exceeded $500 billion in 2018. 2008 finance for the government debt allocation and agro-industrial product agricultural promises. In 2009, there were 700 agricultural complexes under 60,000 hectares across the country. Chicken fields, animal husbandries, fishery ponds, and the greenhouse are built in these premises. Machine agriculture, mechanical agriculture has been slow but steady in Iran. Industrial facilities in the Tabriz and the Abra and the Iraq are countries producing machinery and equipment for Iran's agricultural sector. This sector employs 1,200,000 combined harvesters and 300,000 tractors. The tractor manufacturer company, which was founded 4 decades ago, employ about 10,000 people. It produces 30,000 tractors annually. A large part of the which is exported. Iran announced self-sufficiency in irrigation and agriculture machinery in 2008. Production and consumption: the food industry has 22,000 units in the country. During the pre-Islamic Revolution, the capacity of these units increased from 8 million tons to the 60 million tons. Agricultural production was 108 million tons in 2008, indicating an increase of 20 million tons from 2007. The Iranian government policy is the achieve of self-sufficiency in food production, and by 2007, Iran has achieved 96% independence in essential agricultural products. But the storage, processing, marketing, and consumption of the food items it is a cause for the concern. 30% production, according to some sources. The following is a list of the Iran's largest global production ranking. The first, pistachio, Burberry, the caviar, saffron, stone fruits, berry, sycamore. Second, dates, apricots. Third, watermelon, cherry, cantaloupes and other melons, apples, figs, grapes. Fourth, sheep stock, fresh fruits, quince, walnuts, almonds, walnut. Fifth, 19, badan, funeral, corian, pepper, silk, wool, warm cocoon. 16th, hazelnut, buffalo milk, tomato. 7th, grape, onion, sugar, sour, cherry, sheep milk, kiwi, fruits. 8th, condiment, peaches, nectarines and tangerines, mandarins, orange, clementines, lemons and the lemons, orange, goat's milk, pumpkin, squash and ground. The 9th, pulse. 10th, persons, teas, natural honey. 11th, hempseed. 12, sour fruits, wheat, beer and sauce. And 13, watermelon seeds, chicken, eggs and eggplant. 14, sugars, wheats, fresh vegetables, barley and potatoes. 15th, saffron, radish and artichoke.